In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these very cute bags that you can store your items in. First of all, you'll be needing a rectangle. You just need to fold it into like your desired, cut it into your desired length, and then fold it to an inch and then sew, which is what I'm doing here. That's about an inch, and I did the same thing to the other side. And then you place them right sides together, and then you sew from the point where you sewed the tips or the top down, leaving some edges open so you can fix your strings through. And this is like the finished product for now. So this is what you get after you have done that. Please like and subscribe, share and subscribe to my channel. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm just folding it about an inch down. That's right side on top of the wrong side. Then I'll sew it like I'm hemming it. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just trying to cut all these threads. Then I did the same thing to the other side. I'm just sewing it an inch down from the top, bent it an inch, and I'm sewing it down. I hope you understand. Just watch me closely, you understand what I'm doing. So after this, I'll cut it off. Then I'm going to place them right sides together and sew from that point where I sewed the top. Then I'll sew it down, leaving the parts, the top open and the sides open, so I could put the strings through. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sewing it down. I'll sew it down on both sides, making sure to leave some parts open for the strings. Yep, and that's it. That's all you need to do, and you have yourself a very cute satin bag where you can store your items. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. And these are the bags that I made. So this is the string I'll be using, and I'll be using a pin to fix the strings through the top of my bag. So that's what I'm doing, pinning it and then using it to fix it through round until it gets to the other side of the opening. Then I'll cut it and tie the edges so it won't unravel, and I'll tie it together so it will not get lost. And this is everything. So I'm just doing the same thing to all these other ones too. Yep, tying it together. So I'm just going to make sure I do everything to all the other parts, all the other bags. I have different sizes. You can cut your rectangle into different shapes and sizes depending on what you want to put in it. So this is what I have, and after I'm done, I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm storing. I'm putting shoes. You can put your hair, whatever you want to store in them. So that's just what I did. Yeah, this is everything. This bags. Very cute.